point in CBAS, we recommend starting in editor mode. From the main menu, click Hardware View, then choose Controller Channel, then click the Controllers button. From here, we can see all of the controllers in our system. Next, you'll choose the controller where you're adding the point and click the Points button. To add a point in this controller, simply click Add a Point next to the associated point number. From here, you'll name the point, and select the point configuration. Then you'll click Add Point Now, and you're done.